Karen, it's Risa. I thought I'd make a quick video to hopefully help you with the family and answering some of the questions about the offer we have on Broadwell. This is a family who very much want to have a home where they can all live together, and it happens to be a VA loan, which means that the terms for the VA loan is that the buyer cannot pay their escrow fees. So in this case, the buyer has offered well over asking price for the home at $515,000, and then we have to credit them back the $5,000, which still stands at purchase price of $510,000 for the home. As they agreed that they would not ask for any repairs, of course, no fumigation, no termite repairs, or any other repairs. They just very much want to be together. Of course, they agreed that if in fact the appraisal came in, let's say the appraisal came in low at maybe $505,000, that they would be willing to bring the additional $10,000 to closing. So we don't have too much to worry about there. Well, a little bit, but not too much. But we also wanted to reassure you that we are still going to market the property. We will still have it on the multiple listing service. We will have an open house. We'll have flyers. We'll do everything as if we are still marketing the home. And we will get backup offers. And if for any reason the buyer cannot perform, we'll have another offer to slip in there. Now, we've asked them to work with a well-known lender of ours, and they agreed to, and the lender has assured us that there's not going to be a problem, and we will close in 30 days. So for us, it looked like a win-win situation. Of course, our fiduciary duty is to you, and you are our sellers, you are our clients, and we're happy to do whatever you like. It just seemed like this was a win-win situation for everyone. They're very workable. If Greg needed more time, you know, at the end of escrow, they would be fine with letting him stay there at no cost to you. So anyway, I hope this is helpful, and I look forward to seeing you and Jeff on Saturday. Okay, call me or email with any other questions or concerns. Okay, see you on Saturday. Thanks.